The ultimate Robux Sistemanet Roblox tutorial from 0 to Pro in 1 minute. If you're a Roblox fan looking for free Robux, most people get this wrong by trusting random websites that promise unlimited currency. The surprising truth about Robux Sistemanet is that it claims to offer Robux quickly, but you need to be cautious and understand how it works. First, visit the website and create an account if required. You won't believe how simple the interface is. It walks you through steps like selecting your Roblox username and the amount of Robux you want. Next, follow verification steps. Most people get this wrong by skipping instructions, which can result in failed transactions. The site often asks you to complete tasks or surveys to confirm you're human. These steps are designed to protect against bots and fraudulent activity. Always double-check your account details. The surprising truth is that entering an incorrect username can lead to wasted efforts or security risks. Accuracy is key to ensuring the Robux, if granted, goes to your account correctly. Finally, track your rewards. You won't believe how important patience is. It may take a few minutes or longer for the system to process and reflect Robux in your Roblox account. Keep in mind that many users also report needing to follow additional legitimate steps or support guidance. In conclusion, Robux Sistemanet can guide you from 0 to Pro in exploring ways to earn Robux, but caution is critical. Always follow instructions, verify your account properly, and avoid shortcuts that promise instant results. With care and attention, you can use the platform responsibly and enjoy a safer Roblox experience.